Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Albany's university. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other preferable browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, type down login to Albany University. Enter it after you're done. And from here, we could see the second option right over here that says University at Albany application portal. Click on that option and you'll get into an interface like this. And here we could see the returning users right over here that says login. Click on this option. But if you have not enrolled or registered an account in the University at Albany, click on this option that says create an account, and then you'll be required to fill the form. So click on this option. And here we could see in order to log in, you have to enter your email address and password. Simply type down your email address and your password as well, and click on the login, and then you'll be successfully logged into the University at Albany. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have the option that says forgot your password, and then you'll be able to recover or reset your password again. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.